so tight. Oh God, yes.
Dear viewer, Silver Reviews has been blending satire and information since 2006. Please keep this in mind as you enjoy the video.
Ryan here, Silly Review. My mom sends me gifts every now and then. This is absolutely amazing because I was searching online for any deodorizers AutoZone sells because AutoZone is right by me and I do detail cars, so I always need supplies. My mom, out of nowhere, sends me a gift. Let's find out how Jay Leno's Garage auto detailing products work. I've got the fabric clean, I've got the Jay Leno Odor Eliminator, I've got the Jay Leno glass cleaner. Weather's real bad outside, we're gonna wait for things to clear up. Then we're gonna go test these. So the first one we're going to try is the Jay Leno's Garage Odor Eliminator. And we're gonna go ahead and spray that on this Ford Escape that I detailed the interior already. We're waiting to put a radiator in before I can do the outside, but it's gonna look great. Is it gonna smell great? That's what I wanna know. Let's go find out. Okay, here we go. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna spray it in here. I'm gonna give it 10 pumps, and then I'm gonna come back in about a half an hour, and I'm gonna let you know how it smells. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna spray it on the fabric. We got a mix of vinyl and fabric here. I'm gonna give a spray there. I'm gonna give one spray here. I'm gonna give one spray here, one spray here. That's 4 pumps. Then we're gonna give 2 to the headliner up here, 6 pumps. We're gonna go ahead to the front now. Go ahead to the front. We're gonna do the same thing on this seat. Hit it on the fabric part. 7 pumps, 8 pumps. Back up to the headliner. 9 pumps, 10 pumps. I'm gonna lock things up. We're gonna come back inside about a half hour to an hour. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna see if it smells good, if it's eliminated odor. See you in a minute. The next product being reviewed is Jay Leno's glass cleaner. Now, I popped the top on here. I was ready to put the squirty-doo on there, but I noticed something in here I do not like. I noticed some type of contaminants or something in here. I have a suspicion where they could have came from. I don't see any contaminants in that odor eliminator. But check this out. I'm gonna try to focus on here, but see if you can see that stuff floating around. You see it? Why is there stuff floating around in here? And it's everywhere. It really is everywhere. Look at that. That's not bubbles. That's stuff. What I'm thinking is there's something possibly acidic about the Jay Leno glass cleaner, and I'm wondering if it's eating away the cap. That's the only thing I can think of. If it's eating that plastic whatever doodad on the cap. Why is there stuff floating around in a glass cleaner that's supposed to leave your windows and your mirrors spot free? Very interesting, but we're gonna go ahead and try it out. I'm gonna screw the sprayer on here, get it nice and tight. Oh, so tight. Oh God, yes. All right, so what we're gonna do here, you can see here, now I started to detail this car, and first thing I did was I scraped these windows, and as my lubricant, I used some soapy water, some Dawn and some water. Can't fully detail the outside yet, but I can test this. So I'm gonna try to get an angle here to see if you can see these soap spots. There you go, kind of have it on there. Can you see the soap spots? There's a lot of them. So this should make it crystal clear, and I'm gonna try to just do half with the Jay Leno glass cleaner. First I have to turn it on. Hard to do with one hand. A lot of things I can do with one hand, but that was not one. So here we go. I'm gonna try to just spray half of this window and we'll do a comparison. Okay. It is ammonia free, so it is safe on the interior. For your tinted window, I'm gonna go ahead and grab a clean microfiber. Here we go. Oh, almost fell again. We're gonna clean half this mirror. We're gonna clean about half. Whoa, it's getting those soap spots up. I can tell you that. Nice lint free microfiber. And if you're wondering how to clean windows, I did create a very long video that shows you how to clean windows, and that's applicable to mirrors as well. So here we go, before and after. Again, I'm gonna try to find how you can see it. You can see some spots here. Man, this is hard to do, you guys. It's really hard to do. Okay, see the spots? Whoa, no spots. Spots, no spots. 2 thumbs up, but I do not know what those contaminants are, and there is no filter to filter out any contaminants. But I'm gonna give it 1.5 thumbs up for the Jay Leno glass cleaner, and I'll be right back, and we're going to review the Jay Leno fabric clean. I'm gonna find something with a stain on it. We're gonna follow the directions. We're gonna go ahead and try that fabric clean. See you in a second. Okay, so I did find a vehicle with a stain, a little minor stain, I would call it. Doesn't look like oil or grease or anything like that. So we're gonna try the Jay Leno fabric clean. Directions for a light stain, simply say to spray it on a clean towel, clean microfiber towel, and we have a clean one right here. and then you just rub it in, and that's it. And it's supposed to eliminate the stains and the scent, which I really like. So let's go ahead and let's walk over there. So this is our stain. This is on the second row of seats in an old Dodge Caravan. I'm gonna follow the directions exactly. It does not say to spray it on the stain when it's a minor stain. It only says spray it on your towel. Turn this one to on too. Again, hard to do with one hand. Lots of things I can really do with one hand. And I did that too. Gonna be a little liberal with that. And here we go. We're just gonna rub. We're gonna rub. It is foaming up a little bit. Oh my God, the scent on it is different than the odor eliminator. This actually smells like my grandma's perfume. Wow, miss you, mama. We're going up and down. We're going up and down. And then we're gonna go side to side. We're gonna roll up to bingo with 3 grannies in my ride. It's an old song I made back in the day with a buddy of mine. What's up, Jeff, if you watch? And I'm giving it its best chance. This isn't hard work. I'm not trying too hard. I'm not a try hard here, but we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna back off and we're gonna look at this stain and we're going to see if this Leno's fabric clean did the job. Ready, guys? Unveiling. All right, let's look at it. Just want to look at it. Tell you what, that does look much better. Probably give it a couple more rubs and really get it out. But I'm happy with this. I'm happy already. I'm happy. I'm finger snappy. That ain't bad. That ain't bad. I don't know if I see a little bit up here, a little bit. That ain't no thing. Hey, I like it. For spot cleaning, I'm gonna go ahead and say that the Leno fabric clean works pretty well. So overall, I'm very pleased with the Leno Garage fabric clean, glass cleaner, and odor eliminator. I'm gonna give these 2 thumbs up. If you look in my other videos, my other reviews, just do a search in my videos for Leno, you'll see the other review that I made, which was for the car wash and the wax and the compound, stuff like that. And those worked pretty darn well too. And I think I re-gifted those to my little bro. What up, Jay? So that's it. I'm Ryan for Silly Reviews. If you use these products or you've tried these products, let me know how you liked them or didn't like them. Leave a comment, help us out, help inform the public. And that's it.
Now you can send me something to review. I've got a P.O. box just for you. Send me anything. Wacky flavored sodas, awesome beads, super hot sauce, a burrito blanket, pictures of your wife. I'll review whatever you send me and give you a shout out. Mail me something from your house or send it from your favorite website. Include a note for me to read and I'll read it.